So we move this concrete slab down here. We're gonna set up our cattle scales on it down here at the pins. We got it in place where we want it. And we're gonna bring some gravel down here and fill this all in with gravel. I got the mulch pile moved the other day and sawdust pile moved right there. So we're gonna dump a bunch of gravel in here, and we got the scales chute up at the house. We're gonna attach it to this concrete, and then we can run the calves up in here and weigh them and make a load out over here eventually. So that's what we're doing with this thing, and we'll be able to weigh these things to see how much they weigh before we butcher them. So anyway, that's what we did today.